Bulldog TV, man. I'm out here with my boy Theezy. Thighs and Easy, man. Let them know what's up, baby.
Already, man. What's good, man? This your boy Theezy, Thighs and Easy, aka Theezy Stacks. Bulldog TV, man. You know what I'm saying? We're in North Plaza right now. First and foremost, man, I want to thank the Lord for letting everything be a blessing, man. I'm still here, and I am not going nowhere. For the people that said I don't rap, here I am right here. Y'all search me on Hope Shop, man. Anything y'all want to find of my music is on Hope Shop. I'm pumping my main single right now. It's called Low Key. Low Key. It's me and Queen of SDS. Shout out to Stump Down, you know what I'm saying? This C3 over here. C3 and Stump Down. We in the motherfucking building, man. I'm just gonna spit a little bit of the hook on Low Key. He say, you got a man, I got a gal. We both gon' cheat. I'm a Libra, you a Scorpio, I know you a freak. You say your man at home and you just trying to get loose. What's in the brain? 2 more rounds of vodka and orange juice. Alright, we gon' keep it low key. My nigga don't know you, your bitch don't know me.
Know what I'm
talking about? About that life, my nigga, we gon' see. I might give you my number if you keep it low key. Keep it low key.
You know what I'm saying?
Already, man. Y'all, just follow me, man, on Twitter, man, at Theezy Stacks C3E. That's TheazyStacksC3E. And I do follow back, especially the females. Niggas that follow me with their shirts off, I don't follow y'all back at all, so don't even send me nothing, you know what I'm saying? As far as other artists' music, man, y'all can hit me on my page, man. I do check y'all shit out. I fuck with y'all. Theezy Stacks, Bulldog TV, we in the building.
Antonia, baby, is you about that life? Your bitch have no idea that this right here is the reason you don't fuck with her. Baby, it's a one night stand, you can't be my man, I wouldn't take you if you dusted up.